For how long you gonna be putting your makeup on? For 4 hours? That's a half a day. No? Okay.
That's Tarte concealer under my eyes. You know how you get like dark under eye circle? Well, what I'm using covers it.
Oh, yeah.
And that is foundation. And I put it all over my face. But that was the shade a little too dark for me. So I'm going to have to get one that's a little bit lighter.
But that's only like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps and you're done and pretty, huh? Real quick like that.
It ain't that fast though. Yeah. And then Bare Minerals concealer. That's powdered concealer that helps the liquid that I just applied stay in place. And now I'm doing eyebrows, and that's Anastasia. And it just fills in the little gaps that I have.
But did my sister see these videos or no?
I don't know. I've never talked to her about this.
No, just tell her so she can see these videos and we'll steal some of her customers. I will.
I don't sell products, Daddy. I use them.
Oh, okay. I thought you sell Anastasia. I was going to say. Sorry, Mary Kay. You know.
Do you even know what Anastasia is?
Anastasia?
Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Where's the Oh, it's way better than Mary Kay.
And they have eyeshadows. They have... What I used was just for your eyebrows. It was a pomade.
Oh, the toner? ¿Qué es eso? That's pink. That's like Mary Kay stuff. Is it? Oh, no, we can't have Mary Kay, man. This is Anastasia. No. Wait a minute.
I'm going on to my eyes. The Morphe palette. And I'm using like an orangey brown color. Only on my lid. And I'm just going to blend.
Yeah, man, that's... Well, pero ¿como cuánto cobrarías por hacer a alguien una mujer que se vaya a una fiesta y que la hagas así?
I don't know, I never thought about that.
¿Y como cuánto saldría?
I don't know, I never charged.
Maybe $20?
I don't know, people charge a lot.
More, huh?
Yeah.
More than $20?
Yeah.
And then you go and then you just met somebody and...
Because there's makeup artists who do it.
And then that's sad, eh? When
people do that as a career. That's their job.
Somebody will fall in love with you, and then, you know, when you take the makeup, then they'll be like, "Oh no, wait a minute."
Yeah. Are you trying to say I'm ugly without makeup?
No, when they, you know, how some ladies poor ladies that have marks on their face, and then they use the makeup and they look all nice, and then later on, they wash it out and be like, "Oh no, sorry."
Different person.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Y ahorita pasa el tocadito y le das un beso y ahí se mira.
Yeah, a lot of people do that as a career, Dad.
Yeah,
but
you
I
ought to get into that. And then,
I like doing my makeup, but I don't like doing other people's makeup.
No, I could probably do other people's makeup if I know what it is.
Oh, well, look. Pay attention.
Okay. So, how many products altogether did you use?
I lose count, Dad. Every time.
Like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5.
Yeah. This is like if I want to go out to like a party or a date night or something, that's when I do my makeup like that. Because it takes almost an hour to do that.
Okay.
So I don't do that every day. Eyeliner takes the longest, in my opinion.
Oh.
Because you have to get both sides just right.
Man, that's crazy. Man, I think if you explain this to the ladies that work like in the fields for John Balo, they will buy it, huh?
Well, I don't sell this, Daddy. I don't sell it.
No? Okay.
Now I'm adding a little bit of glitter around my eyes.
Man, this would be a good business. No matter fixing moments like that. And
people do that. I've told you. That's a career.
That's a career, but
yes.
If whoever got the best price gets the customers.
Because it takes some time. You're using the person's product. She's wasting her time on you, and she's making you look nice. You have to blend when you do makeup, Dad. Tell your girlfriends that, because a lot of them don't know how to do makeup.
They don't. They look worse.
Worse than before?
Yeah.
See, now you can get some tips from my videos. learn how to blend, and maybe you can do their makeup and they might like you a little bit more.
Yeah. Nah, they'll go with somebody else. You know that.
Why?
Because they're, you know, as soon as they look a little halfway decent,
That's messed up.
get dumped. I don't qualify. Oh.
So yeah, now it's the lipstick, and I like to mix shades together to get the color I want. So this, I made like a rosy color off of nudes and red.
Yeah.
Look, now I'm just highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and top of my lip, and my brow bone.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm done.
I know. Look how pretty, man.
Thank you.
That's top of the line.
All done.
Yeah. Man, that's crazy. Yep. You could probably make a lady find a husband and right away.
Oh, you're funny. See, we're done. Thank you.
All right.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.